Welcome to the IVM Podcast Network. Hi, this is Amit Doshi, and I wanted to thank each and every one of our listeners. It's been 2 years since I founded IVM, and it's been an amazing 2 years. We wanted to learn a little bit more about who is listening to our shows, and so we put together a short survey. The survey is anonymous, and we aren't going to be collecting any personal information. I would really appreciate it if you could take a couple of minutes out of your day and go to ivmpodcast.com/survey and fill it out. Thanks, and please keep listening.
You're listening to TFG Cricket.
Hey guys, welcome to a new episode of TFG Cricket Podcast. We are continuing with our IPL preview series. It's the second last team that we are previewing, Gujarat Lions. One of the most formidable sides. They surprised us in their debut season. It's sad that, this could be their last season in IPL.
This could be their last year.
Last year?
You never know.
No, but
Unless BCCI increases it to...
No, it is such a bad part on the on fans' part that there has been such a connect, from Gujarat now, and suddenly the team is nowhere.
Ask CSK fans the same thing.
Yeah, but IPL is known for that.
See, okay, we will talk IPL. IPL is known for that. See, it's a short history. As a sporting nation, we are like way behind. This is one of those, all the surprises that happened in the Indian sporting landscape, and it really clicked. Of course, all the ingredients were right for something like an IPL to click, and it clicked. And so naturally, the initial teething problems, the way the league was run, BCCI's control, government interference, match fixing, betting. So all this, taking into account all that, it's amazing that the league has run day in and day out every year, and without missing a single season. Though every season, 2 months before the season, there is doubts, ye saal hoga kya nahi hoga, But it goes on, the show goes on, and it's gone on well. So within that, see, Gujarat and Pune, the owners came in knowing that they were there for only 2 years. Now they will, of course, work towards probably increasing the BCCI, the IPL strength to 10 teams and retaining the slot. Something they have got into the system. It's a good thing that when 2 teams were banned, 2 new guys came in. I mean, there could have been a case where people said, 2 years, why should I come in? There's hardly anything in it for me. But the lure of IPL and the leverage it gives to a brand and all is very huge. So naturally, these 2 owners came in. It's great that we had a...
One is very happy.
Both are happy, don't worry. When both of them... See, look at the contrasting things. Pune finished almost last on the table. Gujarat finished top on the table. But Gujarat didn't win. So the whole 2 months it's almost like it went futile, the whole thing. At the end...
Futile?
Absolutely. The whole... See, for a country like India... Who remembers a team like Deccan Chargers who won? Who remembers a team like Rajasthan Royals won the first year? As a brand, for those teams, even selling sponsorship, even today is tough. So only an RCB, KKR and Mumbai Indians and CSK always enjoyed the brand value that, that is the problem with a short league like IPL where you don't have... So CSK was the only, team that was closed down and where the fans actually rallied and tried to come to Bombay and they gave a memorandum to be some kind of hope where there was some fan following. Otherwise, where Rajasthan Royals ka kahan the fans? Where was anybody protesting why have you banned the team? Then nobody. Tomorrow Mumbai will all shed a tear, but nothing is going to happen. It's not like the EPL or something where a city can go to, strike if something like this happens. So it's early years. So for Gujarat, for the owner, if I was the owner of Gujarat, it's a sad season where I topped the league. I beat everybody on the way. I was the team to beat and I was not even in the finals.
But that's how the format is. I mean, you can't complain about that.
No, that's not... The format is like that, but when it came to crunch time, you were beaten by... you got 2 chances to enter the final. Both you couldn't win. So you're going to be a sad person when you have the best team in the league. all-round team, and you think that okay, you have had a league. Technically, they should have been league winners because there's no semis and finals in leagues.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
Yeah, so there's no semis.
So this is basically a tournament.
It's a tournament. So that's the problem with IPL. That's it.
Yeah, but a formidable team. I mean, the batting lineup. Vivek.
Very formidable. Whom can you drop? Roy, McCullum, Smith, and who's the other guy?
Raina.
No, Raina is an Indian. I'm talking about the... so we
Finch.
have Jason Roy, Aaron Finch. So even without Raina's contribution, they made it to the top.
Yeah.
Raina scored only 175. So it just goes to show how much quality there is, how much depth there is. The devastation at the top is enough.
And unlike other teams where there is depth also, this is like each one is a pinch hitter, and
Each
they can
one is a
change the
match
game
winner.
in 2 overs. They can change the game.
Yes, and when let's say the team management decides to play all 4. Suresh Raina will come at number 5. How good or bad is that?
And then Faulkner.
And then Jadeja and Dinesh Karthik. So they bat
Bravo is
deep.
Bravo
They
is also
bat
there.
8, 9.
Yeah.
And when you have these 4 names, 1, 2, 3, 4, 200 can be easily chased down. 220 can be posted. So much firepower. And all these guys, yes, I know Brendan McCullum doesn't play international cricket, but he's been a part of the Big Bash, PSL. So everybody is in form. And everybody has played in the IPL. Everybody is a veteran. Dwayne Smith was unstoppable in Hong Kong just a few weeks ago. So he's going to be coming in. Aaron Finch was brilliant in the Big Bash. You don't want to play the Gujarat Lions, man. I don't care how formidable your bowling is. But when you see these 4 names on paper, at the time of the toss, if I am the opposition skipper, I would say, man, I would be really sweating hard even before the first ball has been bowled. And then you see Raina, Bravo, Faulkner, Dinesh Karthik and Jadeja. Let's not forget Ravindra Jadeja. So there is only one way you can beat them. I wouldn't call it a weakness because they are so supremely above everybody in the batting. The bowling, I'm not saying it's comparatively that's a little weak. But there again you have Jadeja as their number 1 spinner. You have Dhaval Kulkarni. You have Andrew Tye, who was the pick of the bowlers in the Big Bash. So Praveen Kumar has been a veteran. And then obviously you can pick and choose Manpreet Goni, Nathu Singh, Munaf Patel. That mystery spinner is there, Shivil Kaushik. Shadab Jakati won CSK twice. He is a part of this team. So weakness bolne ke liye may be the bowling, but this is it's a team of match winners. Very, very settled. Brad Hodge did wonderfully well with the Gujarat Lions. So they have to be in the top 4. There is no doubt about it.
But there is an injury concern.
There is an injury concern. So there again, see, very smart pick when they picked Bravo last year, and everybody questioned why Faulkner. Now Bravo has injured himself. He's not going to be there for the first 2-3 matches. Straight away Faulkner walks in as a like-for-like replacement. Match winner for a match winner. So have they really lost something? I'm not too sure. Bravo can come back, prove his fitness. Okay, Faulkner, you go out. And they also have the liberty to play both. If they do that, they'll have to probably rest a McCullum or a Smith. That is a toss of the coin because you cannot walk up to Smith and say, man, you have to rest because these 3 are superior. Or you can't go to Finch and say, you know what, today is not going to be your day, so don't play. Doesn't work. On paper, form, reputation, all 4 straight away qualify. 1, 2, 3, 4. And Raina can come at 5 or 6. Look at Raina's numbers. He has been the best he has been the best batsman in the IPL. Overseas and local players combined, okay? You look at his numbers, he's way ahead of everybody. Look at the number of 50s he has scored in the IPL. Look at his strike rate. He is a boundary getter. 6 weeks to aise hi marta hai.
But tabhi team alag tha.
Team alag tha, that's okay, fine. But still, time and again, Raina gets chucked out of the Indian team. Why does he come back? IPL. It is a fact. Because he has been the star performer. So imagine if Raina gets going.
But uska contract khatam kar
that is because like his coach said, he has little interest in cricket these days. But again, IPL does that to you. It will generate a lot of interest.
The owners will ensure he has a lot of interest.
Yes.
So see, beauty for Raina is to captain a team like this where कुछ
You
सोचना
don't
ही
have to
नहीं
do
है.
anything.
हाँ, what do you think? There's no strategy here. You just put down the 9 players that are going to go out to bat, and that's the strategy. Then you just need to see that 4 overs are bowled by 5 or 6 guys. हो गया. So, but now coming to the main fact that finally when it came to crunch time, they lost back-to-back matches.
Yes.
Both the qualifiers and the eliminator. So that is how the cookie crumbles. It's almost like it was a given that Gujarat would be in the finals.
The law of averages.
Yeah.
Caught up.
Not law of average. See, they lost to RCB and SRH.
The two best team.
The
Other two best,
finalists. The finalists. So the fact remains that, like we have discussed earlier also, when it comes to those 4 teams, then it's like it's anybody's. It can be anybody's day that day, and one innings can change things. So you might have this huge lineup. They might not be able to chase down a 200 or 220, despite all of them being pinch hitters and quick run getters. But one more thing I need to add to this is look at Finch, Smith,
McCullum.
Bravo, McCullum, Jadeja, Raina. I think the best fielding side, Bravo.
Yeah.
I mean,
Bravo.
the catches Bravo has taken has changed matches.
Yes.
Has single-handedly, he has changed a match which is going away from his team by a, amazing match. So this kind of a team on the field saves a good 20-30 runs at any time. And you're talking about, and then Karthik behind the...
Yes.
It's brilliant. So even so, frankly, this team on paper should be the champions of IPL. And I think they deserve a second chance to be champions, and this year probably they...
And they will qualify for the playoffs.
There's no doubt about that.
How many times can you go wrong with this batting lineup? Out of 14 matches, how many times can you fail?
4 or 5 times, that's it.
Exactly. So you have 10 matches, you have 20 points. Please qualify.
Absolutely.
And there is no dependency. I mean, like in other teams where we say that, this player has to play.
McCullum doesn't even... he doesn't even think what the bowler is going to do. He is ready to hit. Because he doesn't care, because there's Finch standing there, Smith coming in.
And they got Jason Roy.
Yeah.
Why on earth would they do that? And I'll tell you, it is not only मैं नहीं तो वो. The problem is all 4 are accomplished openers.
Yeah.
And
so there is no pressure.
And they will not be ready to bat 3 or 4.
Yeah.
Imagine if you walk up to McCullum and say, let Smith and Finch open. He'll be crazy. Imagine if Roy, after all his heroics over the last 18 months, he's asked to bat at number 4. So, this could be...
But they have to do it.
They have to do it. Probably they might rotate.
It's going to be Finch and McCullum. There's no doubt about that.
Probably they might rotate.
Yeah.
I have a feeling McCullum could bat 4. Because we saw that in the PSL. Because Roy batted up. You remember both were in the same team and Roy batted 1, McCullum batted 4. So and you can't ask Dwayne Smith to bat 3, 4, 5. There's no point. He has to bat up 5 overs, blah, blah, fat, and khatam. So I feel somebody like a Roy and Smith might open. And then maybe Finch and McCullum down the order. This is my feeling.
They let go Praveen Tambe.
Yeah,
exactly. I mean, even if I want to say like they let go someplace, it has to be like Praveen Tambe. But again, why? When he was doing so well for them, he was getting those wickets regularly. Why do you want to? Probably somebody wrote to them saying, man, you have a smashing lineup. Please give us somebody. And he said, okay, he's the best. So take him. But I don't know. Will it really affect them? Not too sure, but it was a crazy decision.
The only thing that can affect them is one of those odd collapses where, the top 5 really trying to hit their way out, or some super excellent bowling from the opposition, which, they are suddenly 40 for 3 or 60 for 5 or something, and then or they are not able to defend. Yeah.
Or one more thing could happen. Or the same injury bug that bit Pune. If it flies from Pune to Gujarat, then ho sakta hai. then you will suddenly see McCallum, Smith, everybody going back home. Then there is a possibility. But I'm amazed, I have to say this, in 10 attempts, Delhi and Punjab have failed to construct a formidable team.
Yeah.
Despite all the handsome purse. Here, Gujarat Lions, one opportunity, how on earth have they managed to create a match-winning combination is really, it's incredible. Think about it.
But actually it came by default when Pune and Gujarat
But
were
only
choosing.
a few players, CP. It's not easy to construct 11, 12 good players. Yes, they got 2-3 players because of RR and CSK.
Yeah. So-
but 10 match winners in a team.
But
That's,
when the RRs and CSK players were divided and Pune and Gujarat chose players, it was always seen that Pune had the better one.
Yes.
Rahane, Ashwin and Dhoni.
Yep. Yes.
While here was Raina, Faulkner
Yes.
and I think Dwayne Smith.
Yes.
So getting McCallum and Finch in, I think, was the best thing that they did. And that's where, like he said, if there is injuries, if out of these 4, 2 also go away, then suddenly it looks very wobbly because your strength lies in all these 4 power pack guys up there and the bowlers fearing to come in and bowl to them. It's just like RCB. Gale, ABD, then Virat, then Rahul, then Kedar. It's
then
like,
Watson.
Yeah, then Watson. So you know that it's not stopping. Guys are just coming out of the pavilion one after the other. So that's the only worry, if at all they get injured, 1 or 2 of them, and suddenly there is pressure, and then Raina has to perform, which it might be a little difficult for him this season because of being out of match practice
Yes.
and last year not being great. It hangs on your head, so each innings becomes a little important for you. But overall,
Look at what Dinesh Karthik has done. Look at his last 5-6 matches, domestic circuit. Brilliant. So, there is so much...
उसको innings ही नहीं मिलेगा तो-
Innings ही नहीं मिलेगा. रायना को ही नहीं मिलेगा. फिर ही दिनेश कार्तिक. So
it's like each of these guys are there 2 overs each, तो 10 over तो चला गया उसमें.
and they're playing against KKR.
The first
Can
match,
you
yeah.
believe it?
That's a great match.
Super match.
Super
And I
match.
really want to see Bolt, Vokes, Naren, Shakib and Umesh Yadav exposed against these top 4.
Yeah.
That could be the match of the IPL. At least on paper, it definitely looks like. You're talking about 5 serious bowlers versus 4-5 serious batsmen. That is
Or could be finals.
Big ticket match.
Finals के लिए बहुत
Big
time
ticket
है.
match. I'm telling you. And I think Rajkot, yes, Rajkot is the venue. Pretty decent ground, the refurbished one. So they'll have about 40-45,000. And that is going to be epic. So for all those who don't know the magnitude of this match, I think I've helped you. Just don't go by the name Gujarat versus KKR. Look at the players, man.
Yeah, but all these initial matches, it's testing time for each team, and for each player also, because they're coming into this and the first match they all want to perform well, and for every team wants to start off on a winning note, though it didn't help Pune last year, but Gujarat will be wanting to continue from where they left off.
Yeah.
And again, being the leaders on the league gives you 2 chances for entry into the final. That's always something everyone wants. So, I think
A clear
ज़्यादा
cut
कुछ और
playoff.
बोलना नहीं है.
कुछ बचा नहीं है. अभी क्या बोलेगा ये 4 नाम देख.
Yeah.
But the beauty is to watch these people bat in a
Yeah.
tournament like IPL. I mean, I always keep saying, and I think I must have said it 10 times on this one, कि IPL should always give McCallum a trophy, or some bonus for that first match.
Yep.
His
Yep.
blind of 143.
That set the tone for the tournament.
It was a new thing everybody wanted.
Yes.
The whole idea was this is going to be 4s and 6ers, and you couldn't have had you couldn't have scripted it better. Even if you had told somebody to do this, it couldn't have happened. And Shah Rukh in the stands, McCallum thrashing
yes,
away.
yes.
It's
I was
like a
coming,
different feel.
I was coming to that. Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
It's
Even today we remember it so clearly.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yes,
and
yes.
that set the tone. Then there was no looking back. IPL had arrived. That was it. That was
Absolutely.
all that was.
Absolutely.
Instead of that, if that is a 120 run match, chased in 18
Yeah.
overs, 120 for 7.
But
and all,
I'll
know.
tell you, KKR, so now talking about this McCallum innings, in the first 2 seasons, so they had Gale, they had McCallum, they had Shoaib Akhtar, they had Saurav Ganguly. This was the team Shah Rukh had handpicked, literally. And
Which
we
lost.
and we all know what happened to them. And I still remember Shoaib Akhtar running into bowl. I don't remember the opposition, but he ran through. He picked up 4 wickets and Shah Rukh was picking him, literally lifted him. And he was ready to run, the
entire ground.
He was ready to do that. So that's the beauty of IPL. Yes, IPL had arrived.
Yeah. We'll wrap this episode. But personally, I feel Gujarat should continue in IPL. One of the reasons is, we have... Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Bangalore will always have a representation in any of the sporting discipline leagues.
Yeah.
The metros will always.
Yeah, we'll always have. I don't think there's any team which is representing Gujarat
not in football,
any of
not
this.
in,
Yeah. This actually gives a very nice connect to all the
I would be unhappy to see them go because
it's all fluid right now. I personally see a 10 team league in the next year, whether it's Gujarat and Pune remaining, or definitely if there's a 10 team league, Ahmedabad will be a center. There's no doubt about it, because it's a huge center
the
for cricket.
new stadium coming up.
Yeah, so it's unlikely that.
And I'm sure Pune would want at least 2 more seasons to make all the amendments.
I don't know, man. Pune and sports, they don't go along very well. Kuch bhi le lo, yaar. Badminton le lo,
Pune
football
Warriors,
le lo,
India.
cricket le lo. It just doesn't click. I don't know why.
That's because of its proximity to Bombay. Pune is standalone, a very big city. If you take any of the other than the metros, but because of its proximity to Bombay, naturally there is, this thing that is one gaon. It's like Baji mein. Yeah, it's almost
suburbs.
Like that. Yeah.
वो लोग गाँव में super giant है.
So the thing is, forget if you want local players in your teams, which is how leagues and teams are.
Yeah.
Unless there's a local connect.
Well, Kedar Jadhav in that case should be playing for Pune and not for Bangalore.
Absolutely. So all this should
that everything is there. IPL doesn't count for this. They don't look at this. So.
Right. So there's a long way to go. It should ideally be a 3-4 month league, 16 teams, all that. Unless that happens, you can't call it a league. It's a nice tournament right now. So there are 5 others happening in the world. That's how the format of the game is. That's how the FTP is prepared. Everything is now squeezed in here and there. So we have to live with it. Let's enjoy it while it's there.
Okay, guys. We'll wrap this episode on this
So who
note.
are our 4 semi-finalists? Now that we are left with only DD. So that's a clear indication.
DD without a captain.
Without Decock, without Domini.
Then they should be the first team with a non-playing captain.
Yeah.
Non-playing captains.
वो तो last time होके गया ना.
They'll have a musical chess. They'll have a rotation.
But वो last time होके गया ना. Zahir Khan was benched.
Zahir Khan was benched. Yes, and we predicted that Zahir will not play more than 4 games, and exactly it turned out in that fashion.
Yeah, because finally Paddy Upton and Rahul Dravid think through every ball of the match. So they might as well from their initiative.
Wouldn't be surprised if Dravid says, "मैं captain."
I will be the captain from the field.
That's all you need. What do you need? 20
From the dugout.
ऐसे चला जाता है.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
So now that Delhi is gone, so CP, 4 picks.
4 picks, Mr. RCB.
What?
Mr. RCB as in Mr. Kohli. So RCB. 4 picks for the playoffs.
That's right.
Yeah.
RCB. Man, that's very courageous. Okay, yes. Please go ahead.
Abhi, he's unfriended the Aussies also. So just watch what he's going to do.
Yes. Okay.
तो Watson को भी खिलाने वाला नहीं हो.
हाँ. Watson नहीं खेलेगा, Travis Head नहीं खेलेगा. वनडे किधर से मैन्युफैक्चर करेगा ओवरसीज अभी प्लेयर्स.
So anyway.
RCB.
Then we have
Gujarat. Kolkata Knight Riders. No, you don't fancy them.
बोल दे.
Okay, KKR number 4.
Number 4 is a toss-up between Pune.
What about the defending champions?
Defending champions. My problem is Warner. So the rest all are huge problems, Yuvraj and Shikhar Dhawan.
Bigger problems.
So I'm not even reaching them. My problem is Warner. I didn't find that enthusiasm in him during this series. Somehow it was not David Warner, and if he carries that here, and with so much all this series ka backlash happening, and as we know, Warner was the only reason that SRH won. I mean, there's no doubt about it. They had a great bowling attack and everything, but you needed that one guy to take you through, which Virat and Warner, and as we saw, they both reached the finals. So I would still give them a chance of sneaking into the fourth, because the fourth place
is
none of
yes.
us can predict. It's
Yes.
that 14 points,
Yes.
16 points, 14
Yes.
points, 16. Last match, second last day, and the last match decides what.
Yes.
So the good chances are between SRH, Mumbai to some extent. I think RPS, like I said, they have plan A. Plan A, if plan A can work for 14 matches, वो तो champions है फिर.
You can
I'll
speculate.
talk about the bottom half.
You
Kings
can
11
speculate.
DD, RPS and RCB.
Okay. You can speculate how much you want. Mumbai is taking the cup. On that note,
There's no speculation here.
we'll conclude this
straight away.
episode. Guys, you can read a lot about IPL on our website, thefangarage.com. You can connect us via Twitter and Facebook at The Fan Garage. You can listen to our podcast on Indusvox Media, Audiboom, SoundCloud, iTunes, and definitely on YouTube. Subscribe, share, like, and comment. Do download this IVM podcast app on Android and iOS. Till then, take care.
Hey man, just help me out, man. I need some podcast, man. I haven't had a fix in a week. Just need some.
Don't you worry about it. I got podcast galore for you, man. Just go to ivmpodcast.com. You can also find us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.
Thanks, man. I'm gonna check it out.